So welcome to Math 142 online class for summer section 0690. My name is Thad Odell. There's a little picture of me down in the corner if you want to see what I look like. Normally I don't have my picture on the videos, but I like to, in the beginning, start out with you at least seeing what I look like. Just to remind you that there is a human being that's actually directing this course, teaching this course. So this video is just to give you a kind of heads up of how to make your way around this class. So right now you're looking on the screen at the Canvas homepage. If you haven't been there yet, you should go check it out. That's a picture of me standing on the beach in Hawaii, and you should read through that about different stuff. But this is kind of where you start when you open up Canvas. And I try to put some links in there to help you. For the first link that's going to be very helpful is the textbook and online homework info. If you click on that, it takes you to information about what you need for this class. So you don't actually need any textbook, physical textbook, because you can buy an ebook. And this is really the most, right here is the most economical. An ebook with XYZ homework. This is required. You have to have XYZ homework access. And that's $45 for the whole year. So if you're taking, so anyway, if you already had 141 with me, then you already have access to the XYZ homework. So, but if you want a physical book, you can purchase it up here. I give you the ISBN number for the paperback and for the hardback. So anyway, if you wanted to, and if you haven't bought one yet, if you click on this little link right here, it takes you to the web page for XYZ textbooks, and there's the calculus book there. Whoops, don't do that. And there's the different options that I just told you about. If you're going for the cheapest version, you can just buy the $45 a year pass. And that gives you, as it shows here, it gives you all full ebook access, all supplements, all Math TV videos, which I'll mention those in a second. XYZ homework access and an all access pass. So that's the best option. But notice with these other ones, you still get you still get access to XYZ and you get the textbook. That's why it's more expensive. Okay, so you're going to go there first, purchase the book, and then you'll notice if you come back over here that there's an ID, course ID down here, number 15564. That's the course ID for this book, or for this class, I mean. And if you wanted to go, if you click on this little link, it takes you to that. That's the XYZ homework website. And you can, I'm actually logged in right now, but if you went here, it'd just give you an opportunity to log in. And since you already purchased it, you'll have a username and log in, and then it'll ask you to sign up for a course, and that's where you'll need that course ID that I just showed you. So I'm going to go, I'm going to close that and actually take you to, so once you get into XYZ homework, it'll look something like, well, it won't look like this because this is mine, but it will look something like this, and you can see all the hidden assignments and stuff. The best thing to do here, I think, is to go to the calendar. If you go to the calendar, it gives you upcoming stuff. As you can see right now, these are the only homeworks you're going to see because I have the rest of them invisible. But you're going to have homework 1 and 2 due on the 9th of Monday. And you can make the calendar bigger if you want to. You can have it show the whole 8 weeks and I will be populating this with the other assignments. I just didn't want anyone to get too far ahead without even the class starting. So there you have it. And if you click on one of these guys, if you take you to homework 1, let's say, that's what it looks like. So here it says draw 225 degrees in standard position. You click down here. There's a little story problem. So anyway, that's what the homework looks like. Now, this is an important thing I want to point out. Notice right here it says video. So if you click on that, it takes you to what is called Math TV. And there's a video of someone teaching Um, let's put on the sound here.
Degrees per every pi radians.
So you see this is someone from the XYZ textbook company, and they're teaching on this topic. Okay, so close that out. Also notice there's an ebook here. If you click on that, it takes you to the page in the textbook that talks about this concept, so you can read through that and look at some examples and stuff. So that's helpful. So those are some of the helps that you have built into the homework. You also have this question, this little thing down here. You can click on that, and then you can email me, and it automatically has the information of which problem that you're having trouble with, and so I can go and look at the problem you're looking at and possibly give you some help on it. So when you do these, you put the answer in there. Notice right here there's a little arrow that gives you options, possibly. There's different options depending on what the problem is. And once you've got the answer all done, you hit the submit button, and it submits it automatically, and then it gives you an option for the next question, and you move on. So that's a quick introduction to the homework. Let's go back to the home page in Canvas and look at some other things here. There's my YouTube channel, so if you click on that, it takes you to the 142 playlist. So this has a bunch of, whoops, didn't want to do that. But this has a bunch of different videos that I've made in the past for this class. So, and you can rummage through that right now if you want to and watch different videos. I will be posting videos on Canvas, so you don't have to come here to look for them. But I usually encourage my classes to just subscribe to my channel. That way you, if I post a new one, you know it right away, because they send you a little email and stuff. And actually, if you go forward from this, if you take calculus classes, whether you have me or not, I will show you that I have a playlist for, let's see, where's my playlist? I have a playlist for Math 142, Calc 2, Calculus 1, and Calculus 3. There's not a lot in that yet. I'm working on that one. But so there's, this could be a future resource for you if you like the way I present videos. So anyway, you could subscribe to that, and it's not required. You never have to go to that if you don't want to. But there's a little link to it. There's a little link to discussions here. There's already a discussion live that you need to participate in. So that'll take you there. And this is the main thing I want to talk about besides the homework. So the modules is how I set up the class. And so you see right now there's a little Math 142 headquarters. That's where some of the important information is. Actually, this video is going to be housed right here. And here's week 1. So that's the first module. And basically this has all the stuff that you should be mastering in the first week. So here's some teaching videos on homework 1. There's homework 1. Just remind, that's the assignment homework 1. You have to go to XYZ homework to complete that. Here's some teaching videos on homework 2. And there's some practice quizzes that have to do with that material. There's homework 2, the assignment. Here's a quiz 2.5 that's also in XYZ. And then here's another discussion that you're going to have to take part in. So anyway, that's a quick rundown of the way the class is broken down. Please let me know if you have any questions, and look forward to working with you this quarter.